Okay, let's do some palm havening touch. So we can bring our palms together, and I like to put them in the center of myself. So I'm really centered. So you can bring your palms together, and you can begin to do, again, a firm but gentle and slow touching of your palms. Palm havening touch. So some people say it's like imagining that you have a little ball between your palms and you can roll it around. You could even use a little ball if you wanted to. But the beauty of havening touch is that you could use this anywhere because you're just using your palms. It's so simple. So where in the wild do we see palms being used like this? Well, we see it in prayer, and we see it in making mudras. We see it in when people use worry beads or touch items like that, or marble eggs, cool marble egg. So there's many examples that you can think of. I quite like just holding my hands together and feeling, noticing how they are. Are they warm? Are they cool? Are they soft? And are they relaxed? Because when we're angry, we tighten our fist, don't we? So and if you think of things like Buddhism, where the palms are open, or when you're leading your dog or leading a horse, the difference with your palm is open and the rope or the lead is laying on top is so different than when we tighten our hand. It sends a completely different signal to the brain electrically, super fast. So it's something to like tightening your jaw like that. So it's the opposite of that. Havening touch is the opposite. It's like an open palm, soft, slow, and so nice. It's palm havening touch. And again, just being centered, calm, upright, in balance. Noticing coming into balance more and more, feeling more and more stable. The age I am, we used to have these things called Weeble Wobbles as toys, and you couldn't knock them over. So you want to be like that, like centered. And place your attention on the quality of the touches. Sometimes people do it like this. That's okay. Other times people do quite complicated things, but it's always with the palms. Palm havening touch. And when I finish doing my palm havening touch, the way I like to finish is just to bring my palms together, kind of under my chin, and think about that middle line